Hi guys, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make a little gecko. For this project you'll need some pliers and something round. I'm using this pen just to make the round rings here. And then I made 3 of them and just connected them together. That's the start of the gecko. And then I just made it into like the shape. So there's the tail and the head. I bent the nose by getting the pliers and just bending inwards and bending inwards, and it made that little nose bit. And then I did the eyes. The eyes are with the round nose pliers. I just bent it in and then flattened it down. If the eyes are giving you trouble, I did this one where I just added beads instead of doing the bending bit. And then to start the feet, I just got a long piece of wire and I wrapped it around the neck and I just started twirling round and round. And then to make the foot, I'll show you. You just get some round nose pliers, try and measure the same as that foot, and then you bend outward. Adjust the pliers and push it up so it looks like that. That's the first toe, and then you're going in the same direction, bending in the same direction. Adjust it so that you got the right way. That's the next one, and then bend again, all in the same direction. And there we go, that's the little foot. And then I just keep on going round and round until I get to the back foot. This is where the back foot will be, and it'll look like that. Little gecko. And if you want a flat one, that's cute too, but I like to bend the feet down and out a bit so he stands up, down and out, down and out. There we go, standing up. If you want to do the beads, I just put a bead down the middle, and I put beads for eyes. I also made a big one. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my little geckos. Please like and subscribe for more projects.